talk to him. Let it ride. Let me talk to him. Come on, shout it.